Tricky talaga. Guys, muna. Sige, maganda ba ako?
Oo naman.
All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me, you drown out my cry. Mr. Webster could never get by. What's the insanity between your heart and mine? The smiling face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. 'Cause you say this when you say nothing now.
Thank you so much!
Yes, maraming salamat. Hala.
Yeah, Kim Chu and Sian Lim!
Yahoo!
Once again, palamahan natin Kim Chu and Sian Lim! Hi!
Hi!
Kamusta naman, Kim Chu? Eto, kanina nakausap ka na si Sian, pero ikaw, Kim. Kamusta naman? First movie team up ninyo ni Sian at syempre 20th anniversary movie offering pa sa Star Cinema. How does it feel to be part?
Syempre masaya na naging parte kami ng pelikulang ito ng 20th anniversary ng Star Cinema. And syempre kakaiba din siya. Kung gusto niyo lang pong tumawa ng tumawa, at the same time, marami po kayong moral lessons na matututunan
Yes!
about life and love. Ito na po yung pelikulang dapat niyo panoorin. Sa Wednesday na po yun, July 31.
July 31 na po, so abangan nyo. Yes, abangan nyo po yun. Nabitin.
At syempre, may mga kasama nyo rin dito sila special participation.
Miss Pokwa, Mylene Dizon, Talton Gutierrez.
Kian Cipriano.
Kian Cipriano, nandiyan din
And
po.
of course, ang writer ng librong Bakit Hindi Ka Crush ng Crush Mo, si Ramon Bautista.
Yes. And of course, directed by one and the only.
Binibining Joyce Bernal.
Yes.
At ito, meron tayo ano sa kanila, mapapanood natin ang full trailer ng